Firenze in Cinematic, ossia sempre solo musichetta.
Another person left a suicide note. Couldn't find enough love or hope. Working full time on the minimum wage can cover all that needs to pay, and drowning in the weight of everything, and love is cloaked in shadows of doubt.
Pausa musichetta. Allora, nulla di Singano, siamo in centro a Firenze, quindi per cui ci siamo fermati in questa bellissima, diciamo, pizza al trancio, quelle pizze alte, la mia pizzata, bellissima. E niente, dopo ti ripinzi la musichetta perché sì, non sono da solo, come ti ho già detto. E insomma è anche la giornata abbastanza caotica, nel senso con i tempi ristretti, quindi riprese veramente a caso, tipo quello del mimo qua che è appena passato che ha spaventato la China, vedi, vestita a Chun-Li, no? Qua è Street Fighter. E niente, dopo con Rallenti vedo di creare qualcosa di carino.
With blood, persuading the only way out. Only love can stop the blood. Will we ever blindly love? Will we ever blindly love the way we blindly spill our love? Another verdict for a minor drug crime sends a person to prison hard time. Just need a chance to rehabilitate, but the money's only made when we incarcerate. Privatize prisons, create lifelong slaves, and love is cloaked in shadows of doubt. With blood, persuading it's the only way out. Only love can stop the blood. Will we ever blindly love? Will we ever blindly love the way we spill our blood? Another mass murder in America by a homegrown killer with a assault rifle. Indoctrinated hate onto the teeth, always legal guns, 'cause we believe in the freedom of having weapons that assist killing sprees. And love is cloaked in shadows of doubt. With blood, persuading it's the only way out. Only love can stop the blood. Will we ever blindly love?
Fidati te a farti pettinare dalla Alessia, mi pare adesso un ananas, guarda che roba.
Will we ever blindly love the way we're blindly still our love? Another war starting a given time, killing innocent and taking lives, when all we need is dialogue. But the talking don't fill the coffers like the war machine does. We're fighting and dying for the 1% greed, and love is cloaked in shadows of doubt. With blood, persuading it's the only way out. Only love can stop the blood. Will we ever blindly love? Will we loud love.
Will we ever finally love?
Piace troppo sta musica.
Will we ever finally love the way we blindly spill love? As its president and commander-in-chief, now more than half the country is in disbelief, and we're all left without divided ideologies.
And love
Now we
is cloaked in shadows of doubt. With blood, persuading it's the only way out. Only love.